Dive into the world of opulence where luxury meets the sea. Welcome to one of the most expensive cruise ships in the world. In this realm of extravagance, every detail is meticulously crafted to deliver an experience that is as exclusive as it is unforgettable. This isn't just a cruise ship, it's a floating city of sophistication, a testament to the pinnacle of human ingenuity and luxury. A place where every corner whispers elegance, and every service echoes with the promise of an unparalleled experience. This ship is a fortress of opulence, a haven for the elite, those who don't just seek but demand the finer things in life. It's not just about the journey or the destination, but the way you traverse through the vast expanse of the sea. Here, the ordinary is redefined, and the extraordinary becomes the norm. The price tag for this experience is steep indeed, but then again, exclusivity is priceless, isn't it? When you step aboard this ship, you're not merely a passenger, you become a part of a select group of individuals who value the essence of luxury. The uniqueness of this experience lies not just in the opulence that meets the eye, but also in the intangible. It's in the way the staff anticipates your needs before you voice them. It's in the way the sea breeze carries the scent of the gourmet meals being prepared. It's in the way the sunset paints the ocean, creating a mesmerizing spectacle just for you. This ship is more than a vessel. It's a curated world of experiences that cater to your every whim and fancy. It's a place where each day is tailored to be an adventure, a story, a place where moments are crafted into memories. This isn't just a cruise ship, it's a voyage into a world where the boundaries of luxury are constantly being pushed, and the definition of exclusivity is continuously being redefined. The exclusivity of this ship is unparalleled, presenting an unforgettable journey of a lifetime. First impressions speak volumes, and this ship does not disappoint with its majestic exterior. Picture the grandeur of a floating palace stretching across the horizon. Its size is daunting yet awe-inspiring, dwarfing everything else in sight. The hull, a gleaming spectacle of pure white, is a testament to the ship's elegance. It's a monument to human ingenuity and a symbol of luxury that sails the seven seas. The exterior design is a blend of classic and contemporary aesthetics. Sweeping lines and curves flow seamlessly, giving the ship its distinct, streamlined silhouette. The tiered decks evoke a sense of grandeur, each level offering a new perspective of the vast ocean that surrounds it. And let's not forget the crowning jewel, the ship's iconic funnel. A symbol of power and prestige, it towers high above the sea, a beacon of opulence that can be seen from miles away. The ship's stunning exterior is just a hint of the luxury that lies inside. Step into the Lavish Suites designed to cater to your every whim. As we delve deeper into the heart of this majestic floating palace, we are welcomed by the grandeur of the suites. Each suite, a sanctuary in itself, is a testament to the opulence that the cruise ship embodies. Spanning an impressive area, these suites are more akin to luxurious apartments than mere cabins on a ship. Every piece of furniture, every fixture, and every decor item is handpicked and curated with the utmost attention to detail. The plush sofas, the king-sized beds with their high thread count linens, the marble-topped tables, the hand-woven rugs, every single element exudes luxury. Artwork from renowned artists adorns the walls, adding to the cultivated elegance of the space. The suites boast of panoramic views that are nothing short of breathtaking. Imagine waking up to the sight of the sun rising over the horizon, its golden rays dancing on the surface of the endless ocean, or perhaps sipping on a glass of fine wine while witnessing the sun setting, painting the skies with hues of crimson and gold. This is an everyday reality in these suites, thanks to the floor-to-ceiling windows and private balconies that come as a standard feature. But the opulence does not end with just the physical aspects of the suites. The personalized services offered here are truly unparalleled. A dedicated butler service ensures that your every need is taken care of, be it a breakfast in bed or a midnight snack. And if you fancy a relaxing spa experience, a masseuse is just a phone call away. In-room dining, laundry, and housekeeping services are available round the clock, ensuring that your stay is as comfortable and hassle-free as possible. These suites offer an intimate, luxurious retreat, providing you with an unrivaled experience at sea. They are not just about accommodation. They are about experiencing a lifestyle that is the epitome of luxury and sophistication. After all, isn't that what a voyage on one of the world's most expensive cruise ships is all about? Prepare your senses for a gourmet dining experience that rivals the world's finest restaurants. Picture this. You're aboard one of the most expensive cruise ships in the world, where dining is not just an act of nourishment, but a celebration of culinary artistry. Here, every meal is a journey, every dish is a masterpiece, and every bite is an explosion of flavors. Imagine walking into a grand dining hall where crystal chandeliers cast a warm glow over tables draped in pristine white linens. The air is filled with the mouth-watering aroma of dishes being prepared by a brigade of world-class chefs, each one a maestro in their own right. They've honed their skills in the kitchens of Michelin-starred restaurants, and now they're here, creating gastronomic symphonies aboard this floating paradise. From the moment you sit down, you are treated to an array of dining options that cater to every palate. The menus are a culinary tour de force featuring everything from classic favorites to innovative creations. There's the formal dining room where a 7-course meal is not an extravagance but a norm. Here, every dish is a testament to the passion and expertise of the chefs, each plate elegantly presented, the flavors meticulously balanced. But the gourmet experience doesn't stop there. This ship also offers a variety of casual dining options. There are cafes serving artisanal pastries and gourmet sandwiches perfect for a leisurely afternoon, or perhaps you'd prefer the poolside grill, where succulent steaks and fresh seafood are cooked to perfection under the open sky. And for those seeking a truly unique dining experience, there are exclusive chef's table dinners. Here, you'll be treated to a bespoke menu, designed and prepared by the head chef himself. It's an intimate, interactive experience where you can watch the culinary maestro at work, each course a revelation of his culinary genius. The culinary adventure aboard this ship is truly a feast for the senses. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience, the ambiance, the service, the joy of discovering new flavors. It's about indulging your senses and creating memories that will last a lifetime. Beyond the suites and dining, the ship offers a plethora of entertainment and activities to keep you engaged. Imagine stepping into a world where every evening is a gala, where the glitz and glamour of Broadway and Las Vegas come alive at sea. The ship's theater is home to an array of live shows, featuring world-class performers, musicians, and dancers. From dramatic plays to lively musicals, the stage is set for endless evenings of entertainment. In the mood for a little risk and reward, the onboard casino is a high-rolling haven. Whether you're a seasoned poker player or a roulette rookie, the thrill of the game is just a chip toss away. And if you're looking to dance the night away, the ship's dance clubs are the perfect place to let loose, with music genres spanning from the golden oldies to the latest chartbusters. But the entertainment doesn't stop there. The ship also offers a wide range of activities designed for those seeking a more active and engaging experience. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the state-of-the-art gym facilities, complete with personal trainers and a variety of classes. From yoga to spinning, there's a class to suit every fitness level. For those seeking tranquility, the ship's spa is a sanctuary of serenity. Offering a range of treatments from deep tissue massages to rejuvenating facials, it's the perfect place to unwind and indulge in some well-deserved pampering. And let's not forget about the pools. Whether you're looking to take a leisurely dip or swim laps, the ship's pools are a refreshing retreat. With both indoor and outdoor options, you can enjoy a swim regardless of the weather. So, whether you're a theater aficionado, a fitness fanatic, or a spa seeker, the ship caters to all tastes and preferences. From the high-energy casino and dance clubs to the calming spa and pools, there's never a dull moment on board. Whether you seek relaxation or excitement, this ship has it all. Luxury is not just about the amenities, it's about the exquisite service that makes you feel like royalty. And on this cruise ship, the service is indeed fit for a king. With a high staff-to-guest ratio, you're guaranteed personalized attention from a team dedicated to ensuring your comfort and satisfaction. Imagine having a team of professionals whose sole purpose is to ensure your voyage is nothing short of extraordinary. From the moment you step aboard, you are treated as more than just a guest. You become part of an exclusive club where your every whim is catered to. It's the little things that make a big difference. The way the staff remembers your name and your preferences, the way your favorite cocktail is ready before you even ask for it, the way your suite is always pristine and inviting. Every detail is considered, every moment crafted to create a seamless, unforgettable experience. But the services offered go beyond the standard. This isn't just about having your bed made or your meals served, it's about providing a level of care and attention that transcends the ordinary. Consider the bespoke concierge services designed to curate unique experiences tailored to your tastes. Maybe you'd like a private tour of a port city, or perhaps a romantic dinner on a secluded beach. Whatever your heart desires, the concierge is there to make it happen. And then there's the wellness services. World-class spas offering an array of treatments from massages to facials, all designed to rejuvenate and refresh. Personal trainers on hand to guide you through workouts in state-of-the-art gyms, or perhaps a yoga session as the sun rises. The crew members are not just staff, they're professionals, experts in their fields, all committed to providing the very best service. They're your guides, your confidants, your butlers, and your friends. They're the heart and soul of the ship, and they're there for you at any hour of the day or night. With service this impeccable, your every need is met before you even realize it. Luxury, after all, is not just about the tangible, it's about the feeling, the experience, and on this cruise ship, it's an experience like no other. This isn't just a cruise, it's the journey of a lifetime. Now let's take a moment to reflect on the remarkable features that make this cruise ship one of the most expensive in the world. Imagine yourself stepping into the epitome of luxury, surrounded by the finest amenities money can buy. The lavish suites, each one a haven of comfort and style, are designed to leave you speechless. They are a testament to the attention to detail that is the hallmark of this cruise ship, offering a sanctuary of tranquility amid the expanse of the sea. But it's not just about the opulence of your personal space. The gourmet dining experience is another aspect that sets this cruise ship apart. This is not just about eating, it's about savoring delicacies prepared by world-renowned chefs, each dish a masterpiece that tantalizes your taste buds. And when it comes to entertainment and activities, the options are endless. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast looking for a state-of-the-art gym or a culture vulture in search of Broadway-level performances, there's something for everyone. The variety and quality of these activities make every day a new adventure. And let's not forget the exquisite service that underlines the cruise experience. The professionalism and dedication of the staff ensure that your needs and desires are not just met, but exceeded. The level of personal attention you receive makes you feel like you're the only passenger on board. Now, imagine this magnificent vessel transporting you to unique, breathtaking destinations around the globe. Each port of call is an opportunity to explore and immerse yourself in new cultures, landscapes, and experiences. This cruise ship offers an unparalleled luxury experience, turning your journey into an unforgettable adventure.